Hey guys, it's Brian again, here with another ceiling fan video, and today I present to you a 52-inch NuTone Verandah Deluxe ceiling fan from the early 1980s. This fan is 100% complete, all the way down to its original mounting grommet. It does have a genuine NuTone light kit on it, with the original globes. It even has a set of candle bulbs that came from the cellar that were in the fan. And as you can see, it has cane blades, which I absolutely love. They look fantastic on this fan, no pun intended. I've never seen another NuTone fan with cane blades. Quite uncommon, I'd even say rare. This fan actually came from the original home that it was installed in, and it came from Alliance, Ohio. I picked this up off of Facebook Marketplace last weekend. It was definitely worth it. Look at how gorgeous that is. It's a little dirty. I haven't had a chance to clean it up yet. It does have the Vari-Low system, which means it has a 2-speed pull chain for those of you who are not familiar with NuTone fans, specifically the Verandah Deluxe. The first pull is high, which bypasses the variable speed. And the second pull is activating the variable speed control, and it goes all the way from a restaurant style low speed, which is very slow, to almost high. It's not completely high. This particular fan has a GE motor in it. Moves a ton of air. These are very, very good air movers. And there's the bottom cap for the light kit, which is actually the same cap that would have been on the switch housing. Excuse me. But they put it on the bottom of the light kit since they added the light. It's in mint condition too. I'll show you the top of the motor and the canopy. Original canopy, original mounting bracket. As you can see, it's very similar to a Hunter original, being that it's a U-bolt with a rubber grommet, and the top of the down rod is 2 claws that grab the rubber grommet with a pin that goes through it. Actually, the other Verandah Deluxe that I had in my kitchen did not have the original mounting bracket, but the Hunter original grommets work on these. I'm actually glad I have the original grommet. This fan is 100% complete now. So I'm gonna turn the light kit off so you can see the fan without it. Absolutely beautiful fan. These cane blades are just mint. So happy I picked this up. So we'll go ahead and turn the light kit on, and at some point the previous owner replaced the fan pull chain on this. So it actually has a 3-speed pull chain. One of the speeds obviously does not work, but it does not have the original fan pull chain for this. So the sequence of the pull chain is a little bit different on this one. Instead of going high, very low, off, it actually goes first speed, which does nothing, second speed, which is very low, and the third speed, which is bypassing the variable speed control and going straight to high. So we're gonna go ahead and demonstrate that. First speed does nothing. Second speed, this is the lowest setting on the variable speed control. I did not mess with the factory settings on this. This is exactly as I got it. It's somewhat of a fast low speed, but I like it. I don't think I would adjust the low speed trim on this. It's actually a functional low speed too. It moves a nice little breeze on low. You can definitely feel that. Blades have a good pitch to them. It does have a slight bit of a hum to it. get up on the ladder here and I will give the speed control a turn. We're going to turn it a little bit further up. Still moving a pretty good breeze. Go ahead and turn it up a little bit more. This is like a medium low. It does have a slight bit of wobble to it. Turn it a little bit more. Actually, we'll go full all the way up. This is almost high. Moving a pretty strong amount of air. And then the third pull on this, which is all the way up to high. Moving an absolute ton of air. My motor is absolutely kicking. Oh, and just in case you didn't know, there is a reverse switch on this fan. It's right there. But I'm not going to demonstrate it because really, what's the point? So we'll go ahead and shut her down and do the spin down. Bearings are a little bit stiff on this fan. I'm going to have to give it a couple shots of oil and run it for a little bit. But other than that, it works perfect. I absolutely love this fan. I'm really glad that I picked this up. So anyway, that's my 52-inch NuTone Verandah Deluxe in polished brass with cane blades. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.